beginning sounds, we give thumbs up. You remember that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to try that again before we go along and make sure we're taping. Okay. All right. I'm going to give you a sentence. Thumbs up if there is a repeated beginning sound. Thumbs down if you don't hear a beginning repeated sound. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Nancy knows Ned. Listen. Nancy knows Ned. What do you hear at the beginning of each of those words? So a thumbs up, right? We hear the same beginning sound in most of the words in the sentence. How about Tasha can run fast? Yeah, no, none of those sounds begin with the same sound, do they? How about Louis likes leaping lizards? Oh, good job. Do you hear Louis likes leaping lizards? Awesome. How about dogs chew bones? Yeah, none of those beginning sounds are the same. Okay, how about Brenda bounces basketballs? Brenda bounces basketballs. So you hear at the beginning of those words. Thumbs up, you were right. I like this game. Yeah, there's no beginning sounds, right? That are the same. How about Missy's mom met Ming? Thumbs up or down? Good job. I hear right? Missy's mom met Ming. Awesome. Okay, we're gonna go to our words. Yes, you're right. She is. I remember her. Her name starts with an M, huh? All right, here we go. All right, we're going to read some words together. Okay, ready? What sound does a G make again? Listen. Remember, good guy, gopher. We're doing the hard. Right, we're making this sound today. Good. So good, hard G sound with good guy, gopher. And what sound does an A make? What sound does a P make? Now we're going to blend those sounds together. Okay, let's make sure we're sitting in our seats. Looking this way, please. Thank you. Let's say them together. When I point to the letters, say the sound. Good, Yeah, awesome. Yeah. Okay, next one. What sound does a T make? Tag. I like to play tag. Okay. All right, how about this one? We blended these words yesterday, but let's go ahead and do it again. Gas. Like you need gas in your car to make it run. How about this one? Awesome. Okay, now I'm going to come here. I'm going to do it one more time on row 2. Kim. Now look at we know it's her name too, Kim, because it starts with a capital letter. It's a proper noun. All right. Good. Kids. Like a doctor's kit. And we did Carla kangaroo and we did the letter K. This was one of the words yesterday. Okay, how about this one? Kip. It's a name. It starts with a capital letter. Kip. This is a name we see in a lot of our little readers we do. Okay, and Awesome.
There are kids in this room.
There are kids in this room, yes. She is a kid. Okay, here we go. Now this one here, I want you to see if you can sound it out. Raise your hand if you know it. So sound out all the sounds. Everyone should be looking up here. Sound out all the sounds. Raise your hand and tell me what they think it says. You gotta raise your hand now. Raise your hand if you know. Sound it out. Ben. sound does a P make? Huh. It. Huh. It. Isla. Pits. Good. Pits. Awesome. Okay, sound this next word out here. Good, ran. Okay, let's do this one here. It, It's it in the middle, right? It. Fin, you got it. Good job.
Like fin in the other class.
Yep, like fin.
Except there's not another.
Right, he spells it with another N. This is fin like on a fish. Okay, let's read this together. Cup, it, cup. Cup, it, hip. What word is it? And the cup, id, kid, put, egg, eggs, in a egg. Yeah, all right, so Kip and the kid put figs in a bag. That's a really long sentence. Read it with me. Ready? Kip and the kid put figs in a bag. Whew, that's a long one. All right, we've been working on sounding out words. So what you are going to get to do now is this paper here. It is called Consonants, G and K. Okay? Go starts with the letter what?
G.
G. Good. Goat starts with the letter G. Kite starts with the letter what, everyone? K. You are going to sound out the word and draw a line to the picture that it says. If you need help, I will come around and help my friends do this one. Okay? So let me see if I can pull it up to show you what it looks like. And how it's going to look. This is going to be your paper. That was yesterday's. You're going to sound out the word. You're going to say the sounds like book and good. Book and good. Book and. And then we're going to come over here. And you're going to think about which one shows that picture. And you told me that word was what? I'll do the first one for you, and then you're going to do the rest. What was that word? Bag. So you draw a line pointing to the bag like that.
I don't have a paper.
And you're going to sound out your words for the next 4 words and draw a line to the right picture. I'm going to see if you do this on your own. Raise your hand if you have questions on what to do.